go under the rock to do it. Yeah, lift up the rock.
There. Yeah.
Can you get him out?
Where is he? Oh, he's there. He's there.
Oh, yeah, little one.
Moving. Oh, I think he's there.
Mud out there, Clay. I think it's wrong. Piece of crab.
Yeah. I feel like I'm going to break my thongs in here.
I got him.
Did you catch him? Bring him over here.
So easy to walk. Making sure he doesn't go anywhere.
Oh yeah? Can you put your fingers down there?
No. Can I see?
Yeah.
He's got spikes on him.
Look.
Can I see? I think he's dead.
No, he's not dead.
Don't. I don't.
He's not happy though.
It's like concrete. Yeah, but it's not.
It's like coral, sort of. Chase caught it.
When I dropped him, I think he died.
Oh no. Show the camera. Yeah.
Hello.
It wasn't on the tape.
Yeah, he's definitely dead. That's a nice spot.
It's cooler here than standing out there.
There's lots of them, isn't there? Little hermit crabs.
Oh.
See
You want a new shell?
Tennessee whiskey, you're a sweet strawberry wine, you're as warm as a glass of brandy, honey, I stay home, honey, love time. Yeah, you're smooth as Tennessee whiskey, Tennessee whiskey, Tennessee whiskey. You're smooth as Tennessee whiskey, Tennessee whiskey, oh Tennessee whiskey, yeah.
Well, good morning. We're here in Barracrab in Clairview. I didn't get much of a chance to do any GoProing yesterday because we kind of got a bit overwhelmed with how beautiful it was. So this place is really cool. This morning the tide's really far out, so it's really low. This one wasn't as, the one yesterday wasn't as low, but this one's pretty low, so check it out. So obviously the water comes all the way up here, but you can see like right in the distance. Hey Wills, and of course you can take dogs here, bring dogs here as well, so that's pretty awesome. Absolutely loving it, aren't you? Are you loving it? Are you loving it? Are you loving it? Oh, it's pretty amazing. The kids have been adventuring amongst these rocks, trying to find little crabs and little fish, all sorts of stuff, which is pretty cool. And then down there's a little bit of a creek. I hear that there's some good barra down there as well, so I'd like to give it a go. And they say that there's no crocs here. To be honest with you, I don't know if there's crocs in here, but there's got to be crocs around somewhere. After all, we are in central Queensland, so Now further down there, if you can see, that's the main reception area down there, and there's like a little bar. And last night we took our music gear down and played a bit of music, which was awesome too, and watched the sunrise over the water. So it was actually a perfect night. And that's the crew. That's our van there, and Robin Shell's van as well. What do you reckon, bud? What do you reckon? Go see some crabs again? No. No? Can you tell me or what happened to the crabs yesterday? Like, well, what did the crab do to you? It gotcha. Ooh, that one's a good one too, isn't it? All right, bud.
And I scraped my leg on the rocks.
Yeah, you did. You're a little bit of an adventurer though, aren't you? Both of you are. You had fun yesterday?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Oh, the thing's going out.